What does the opposite sex do that you wish that you could do, but it's not anatomically feasible or it's socially from from upon? Okay, it's very difficult question. Okay, like I don't really understand what exactly does this mean. Let me translate this question so that I could understand even more better. My phone hang a lot, like really lot. Okay, विपरीत लिंग ऐसा क्या करता है जो आप चाहते हैं कि आप कर सके, लेकिन यह शारीरिक रूप से संभव नहीं है या सामाजिक रूप से नापसंद किया जाता है? ओके, okay. Now I understand this question, but it's kind of little bit sexual, but not sexual. It's, I don't know how do I suppose to say. It's the question is that like विपरीत लिंग ऐसा क्या करता है? What is actually opposite sex is a female. Like I am the male, opposite sex is a female. Okay. ऐसा क्या करता है जो आप चाहते हैं कि आप कर सके? Okay. Okay, what should I supposed to want that women like डू, लेकिन यह शारीरिक रूप से संभव संभव नहीं है? अब ये शारीरिक रूप से, ओ माय गॉड, या सामाजिक रूप से नापसंद किया जाता है? ओके, सो क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट दैट कि what does kind of like a something really opposite sex do that you want to do but you won't be able to do because you are not that person, or you're not that kind of like a something really opposite person. So what is that? Well, I never really think about that stuff. Okay, first of all, let me simplify this question. First of all is that कि विपरीत लिंग ऐसा क्या करता है जो आप चाहते हैं कि आप कर सके, यानी what is exactly the girls do that you want to do? Okay, girls do that you want to do. I don't know यार, it just like that कि मैं क्यों करना चाहूँगा. लाइक बेसिकली दिस थिंग कि लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, व्हाट इज लाइक लड़कियाँ जो कर सकते हैं लड़के भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, या लाइक व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग बिसाइड्स देयर सेक्सुअल थिंग. ओके, सेक्सुअल थिंग मीन्स लाइक दैट कि मैं एक लौंडा हूँ. ओके, और मैं खड़े रहकर मूछ सकता हूँ. Girls won't be able to do such thing like that. So like basically this question is belongs to girl by the way. Yeah, क्योंकि ये लड़कियों को पूछने जाने वाला सवाल है, क्योंकि दे विल आस्क दैट कि if they kind of like a do like this question is mainly focus on peeing. Yeah, only one activity is pee. यानी आप सुसु कैसे करते हो? लाइक जस्ट एग्जाम्पल इज दैट कि बाय नेचर एज अ मेन हैव अ एडवांटेज दैट कि वी कुड डू सुसु बाय खड़े होकर. ओके, या बट women won't be able to do that, but women wants to do such thing like that. क्योंकि लाइक जस्ट एग्जाम्पल पब्लिक टॉयलेट कभी भी आज हमेशा अच्छे नहीं होते हैं. एंड बेसिकली दिस थिंग दिस इज नॉट द like wearing pad is kind of like a something really bit not so good all the time. Okay, so they want to do such thing like that, like खड़े रहकर सुसु करना. So probably this question is belongs to girls. Okay, लड़कों के लिए ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो लड़कियां करती है जो लड़के करना चाहते हैं? What does they do? If I wanna say is this thing कि like I don't know, like I shouldn't supposed to be count that only one activity like susu. No, there are multiple activities uh like I wanted to say is that ki women's are very hygienic person, like naturally they are very hygienic. Yes, यानी बचपन से उन्हें बताया जाता है कि दे हैव टू लुक गुड, दे हैव टू बी गुड, so they actually try to make them kind of like a something like hygiene very properly, yani nahana, just do like I don't know, like there are like as a men do hygiene, but it's just like that ki women's kind of like a something like way more hygiene than men. So um like this is the thing that I could do, but I also kind of like a something very hygienic person. Like I do shower twice in a day. Okay, I brush my teeth twice in a day. So probably I'm very much hygiene person. Yeah. So but I don't know, it's a very weird question. It's just kind of like I don't know how do I supposed to ask, but this question is only and only belongs to the girl, and this question only and only belongs to kind of like a something like how do we do susu. Okay, because in this question they actually say that he by physically they won't be able to feasible. Okay, yeah, like but it's anatomically feasible, not anatomically. Anatomically means like शारीरिक रूप से असंभव है, यानी लड़कियां अगर लड़कों की तरह सुसु करेंगे तो आई डोंट नो विल इट बी पॉसिबल, आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर अबाउट दिस थिंग, आई हैवंट रियली, आई डोंट नो, मुझे नहीं पता इसके बारे में. वेरी वियर्ड क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन,